Hello everyone, today we have this barium ferrite structure and we will be calculating its piezoelectric properties. So first of all we need to do geometry optimization, go to calculation, here geometry optimization, express settings, click done here. This is not a metal, so uncheck this, go to more, use 500 and everything else is very good. Uncheck all the properties. Click done. So I noticed 90% people are watching without subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel for more content. Geometry optimization is running. It will be done in a few seconds. Okay, it is completed now. Done. Open up the structure. Go to setup. Here choose elastic constant. Go to more. And these are strain parameters. I will be doing on 2 as this is only a demo video. The results will not be very accurate. I'm just showing you how to do it. Choose norm conserving. This is extremely important. You must choose polarization here. Otherwise, you will not get piezoelectric properties. You can check other properties as well you like, but polarization is extremely important. Now here check, we have done 8 cores and efficiency is poor, so we'll be doing on 4 cores and click run. Now it will take a lot of time, so I will be skipping the video. Okay, it is completed now. Open up the CASTEP file. Go at the very bottom. Now here you can see the symmetrized piezoelectric stress tensor. This is the stress tensor, not the strain tensor. We have to calculate strain tensor by ourselves. For this, open up the structure, go to analysis, and calculate here. At the end, we will get few more properties like Sij and Cij. So we will use this Sij and eij to calculate dij of piezoelectric properties. One of these, this is Sij, paste it here, okay, and open up this file. This is eij, stress tensor, and paste it here. This is eij. So this is in one cell, so go to data, text to column, next, here this will be divided into in each cell, and okay, now come here, type m mult, this is matrix multiplication, so choose array 1, this is our array 1, and then choose array 2, this is our array 2, and click okay. So this is our strain tensor dij parameters, the most important parameter for piezoelectric properties here. Thank you. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.